Want to know how to unmute chat notification on TikTok? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'm going to walk you through the process of how to unmute chat notification on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the TikTok app on your screen. Now tap on the inbox icon right beside the profile. Now open any chat for which you wish to unmute the notification. Likewise, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here at the top, you can see the mute notification option. As you can see, I have muted this chat. So now tap on the switch bar to unmute the notification. So this is how you can unmute chat notification on TikTok. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.